That's better.
I'm going to try with that open.
I'll try and belt up a little bit better so I'm not moving around. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 250 junction, keep right, spectators. Keep right, spectators. 500 crest and turn left, spectators. In 250 crest and turn left, spectators. 90-degree left, mate. 300 junction, turn left 90 degrees. 200 junction, turn left 90 degrees. 200 road bends left, then straight on. Road bends left 45 degrees, then straight on. 400 road bends right 30 degrees.
Again, if you feel off, just tell me and I'll...
No, we're all good.
No, we're all good.
100 road bends right 30 degrees. 250 road bends left, then road bends right, rocks inside corners. 100 road bends left, then road bends right, rocks inside. 300 crest, then turn right. 200 crest, then turn right. She might be hidden, mate.
I did this road closure one year.
550 T-junction, keep right, then straight on. 200 T-junction, keep right, then straight on. You're off to 45 degrees.
Yep.
.650, keep left. .300, keep left. 900. 400 junction, turn right 90 degrees.
Yeah, from memory it comes down quite steep.
200 junction, turn right 90 degrees.
Ooh, big hollow.
250 road bends left, then tight and twisty for 1 kilometre. 100 road bends left, then tight and twisty. 1 kilometre.
The grip's up and down in this.
Yeah, under the trees. Gets a bit greasy. In 400, turn left 90 degrees. 200, turn left 90 degrees. 1 200, check the SOS.
So that's where we're coming to, is it?
Next instruction, yes. So 200, check the SOS, and we're going straight on. They should be in here.
Yep.
Yeah, push them back a bit.
Hey guys, unfortunately we've been asked to push you guys up a bit, because as we come around the corner, we see the side of a car and it's like, oh shit. Okay, you only need to move sort of basically a bit about the width up in front of that barrier, but yeah, if you don't mind. Sorry about that. Yeah, no, I understand that, just it's a little bit off-putting. Okay. Yep, no worries. Alright mate, let rally base know that we got them to move.
Yep. 500, caution, over hump. Caution, turn left, over hump.
Yep.
Rally base car 0, we'll move the SOS point back about 50 metres off the side of the road. Keep right. Oops, sorry. 800, keep right, 40 degrees.
That's the where that photo was taken of 000 off the ground.
Oh. 400, keep right, 40 degrees. And I think I found the problem. I took my sunnies off, and guess what?
Better?
Yep. 100%.
Ah, you were straining your eyes, it was a little bit too dark with the sunnies on.
300, road bends left, fence on outside, 90 degrees. Road bends left. 700, truncation, keep right. Truncation, keep right.
This is where I damaged the car 1 year in the Forest Rally through here.
1.4 kilometres.
Coming up soon.
Yep. In 400 metres, road bends right, over grid.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's a worry when I start to remember shit while we're going.
Hope we go to sleep. 950, finish. Pass come up as well, mate. I think he's at the end, but yeah.
Sorry, I missed that. We're going past what?
No, we've got the pass signal up, so just be careful of Ralston.
Yep.
100. Oh, you must be gone.
Yeah, again, I'm pretty sure they go up that way to the next stage, I think.
0.53.
And
we're going off.
oh, down that way.